this is Ken Boone, and you're listening to Party Time Radio. Don't move the dial.
I'm a ding! Yeah, Mr. Big Up Party Time ready from France. And me say, yeah, Paris City, Mr. Large. Original Party Time ready playing the best in music. Reggae music. How where me come from? How where me come from? Where me come from?
Yeah, running the selector. Party Time, 106.3 FM. Every Sunday, 10 p.m. to midnight. Baddest radio show. Alba Rosie there. Party Time at the wickedest.
Yes, sir. Blessed of the greetings, a warm welcome to everyone listening to the Party Time with the voice of Tarrus Riley, singing, well musically inclined. Every Sunday, hey, 106.3 FM is a blessing for them, see?
Party Time!
Listen me now, this is Gabriel speaking. Right now it's all about Party Time, 106.3 FM, Paris #1 reggae show.
Party Time Radio, every Sunday. Yeah, keep the fire burning.
Une découverte après Chronicle, voilà, que beaucoup connaissaient et peut-être certains ont découvert ce soir, le père de Chronix. En tout cas, ce soir, on revient aussi avec un artiste, un upcoming artiste, comme on aime à dire dans le milieu. Un artiste qui commence à faire sa route. Il s'appelle Donji. C'est monsieur Judah. Grâce à lui qu'il est là ce soir. Donc, je te laisse gérer ça.
Ouais, grâce à moi et à Smokey du High Crew ici présent,
aussi.
On travaille en tandem un petit peu là-dessus. On est un peu,
tandem.
Comme John Baker et Ponchirello dans Chips. Voilà, on navigue de tandem. Donc justement, c'est intéressant de voir ce qui se passe parce qu'on parlait de Chronicle et de son fils donc qui a passé le relais. Et là, donc on a fait un ancien, un artiste confirmé. Et on va passer à un jeune maintenant.
Un rookie.
Donji.
Blessed.
Welcome.
Blessed.
How are you?
I'm good.
You're good? Yeah, you look good.
Ça
no?
va.
Ça va?
Ça va.
Okay, good start, you know, speak
Don't
a few
stress.
French.
Yes,
Like your home.
Yeah, man.
Family thing.
For real, man. Yes, sir.
Okay, so if it's the first time we have you in this show.
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't be the last for sure. So you come here tonight to introduce your first EP.
Right.
The name is Reap What You Sow.
Reap What You Sow, right?
Okay, it's what, a 4-track EP?
Yeah, it's a 4-track EP.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about it more, you know, but we just to introduce you to the French public. We're gonna play a tune right now, and I think it's more than a tune, it's a dub that you just record this afternoon.
For Party Time.
For Party Time.
Most definitely.
Voilà.
Un beau cadeau.
Donji, Dubplate Party Time, en vivant et en direct, toujours bien connecté.
Histoire de découvrir tranquillement l'artiste avec Judah, Mr. Donji Dubplate Special.
So each time we chant a prayer. Psalm 25, verse 5. You know what I mean? France, Paris. Guide me in your truth. Teach me for you are Donji live on the Savior. Every day I'm a prayer. Me no want for straight. Jah guide me on my way. No one for sure no hate. No one for sure no grudge. Them not sure we love. We keep moving on, just a carry on. Know the journey long, party time, just a wall of fear. Mama said for weird, they must pull the gear. Yeah, I know the table turn, the more you live you learn. Yeah, youth, just hold it firm, on a solid ground, not forget we return. Party time, don't give up, although it might seem rough. Give up, I know it might seem tough. No, don't give up. Party time, don't give up. Don't give up. I know the journey is rough. As I get to you, them push we aside. No one for see we rise. Them chat and criticize, want see we victimize, so them can rejoice. Now make me mama cry, oh me, oh my, Jah me testify. We are do the best, and you will do the rest. Now go stress, yes. Protect me on the street, me nah retreat. Or you give me them lyrics, yeah. Party time I fix on the beat. Mr. This track, beg you put it on repeat. Party time, now give up, although it might seem rough. Give up, although it might seem tough. Party time, not give up, not give up, not give up, although the journey is rough.
Et ouais, donc Party Time No Give Up, ça veut dire que Party Time n'abandonne pas. Et toujours 20 ans après, Party Time continue à vous jouer de la bonne musique et à promotionner les artistes de qualité.
Exactement.
So Donji, donc, alors je résume ce dont on parlait juste avant. Donc il a un EP qui s'appelle Rip What You Saw, 4 tracks qu'il est venu nous présenter ce soir. So the EP is 4 tracks.
4 tracks, yes.
Can you name all the tracks?
Yeah, well, the first track is Mother's Cry. The second track, In a Jam Down. The third track, Nah Give Up. And the fourth track, Who Am I?
Voilà, donc le doublet était évidemment un extrait de ce EP. So let's start from the beginning. Can you tell us more, because you're fresh in France, in Europe, about your biography, who you are, where you come from?
Well, Danji is from Linstead, St. Catherine. Yeah, but raised and grow in Riversdale, in a parish called Riversdale. But like 6 years now, I've been living in Linstead, St. Catherine, you know. So basically that's where I'm from, in Jamaica, you know what I mean.
Donc, vous l'aurez compris, donc pour les férus de géographie, il a nommé quelques localités jamaïcaines, donc c'est là d'où il vient.
Il vient de Saint-Catherine.
Après il a vécu évidemment là où il est pas né, mais enfin il a bougé un petit peu, ce qui est normal, ce que chacun fait. How you start in the music industry?
Well, I start in the music industry from an early age, you know, from a group called New Phase, consists of 6 members. And like 2 of the members migrated and went abroad. One went on to college, but next one meeting accident and things. So eventually the group broke up. So from then, we just continue with the thing and go on do my solo career. So that's where the thing all began. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Donc il a débuté dans un groupe de 6 personnes, dont 2 membres sont partis à l'étranger, ce qui a provoqué la séparation du groupe et le début de sa carrière solo. But before this group, you learn how to sing.
Yeah, I was born like this, you know. It was a natural gift, you know. I was born like this from I was like 7 years old, singing at concert, you know, and things like that. But when I get more mature and, you know, have access to go outside and all these things now, so I got introduced to this group, so we start to do the thing more professional, go on like to studios, you know what I mean, TV station and so on. So that's basically where it started from, but it's an inborn thing, it's naturally, you know. I was born like this, you know.
Donc, il explique que le chant pour sa part est naturel et qu'il fait ça depuis tout petit, et qu'évidemment donc au début on fait ça un petit peu pour rigoler à la récré, hein, et après il est devenu professionnel, il a rencontré son groupe et là ils sont partis dans des vrais trucs, studio, émissions de télé et tutti quanti. So you told us that you came from Jamaica, but now you're based in Luxembourg.
Yes. I reside in Luxembourg now, you know, couple months ago. So I'm based in Europe now, so I'm here promoting my EP, you know, just trying to send it across the world so it can reach many ears, you know what I mean, because it's a very motivational tool, you know what I mean.
So you had a show in Luxembourg yesterday night?
Yeah, last night I was at a show at Rakos. Yeah, it was a good look, you know. Good turnout, good response from the audience.
Donc maintenant il est basé au Luxembourg, hein, donc pour ceux qui connaissent, ça fait partie du Benelux, hein, c'est ça. Voilà, si je ne m'abuse, on a un expert en topographie ici. Donc il est basé là, voilà, pour essayer de développer sa carrière par ici. Il avait d'ailleurs un show hier soir qui s'est bien passé, donc on lui souhaite bon courage, même si on sait que l'Europe c'est pas forcément facile d'accès au début quand on vient de Jamaïque.
C'est clair.
Mais en tout cas il a l'air de s'en sortir bien, il a posé les bases d'un vrai travail ici. So before the next question, we're gonna listen some other track. So the second track is What Goes Around, Donji.
Yes,
sur Party Time, voilà, là c'est en version normale, hein, c'est tiré de l'EP.
Yes,
voilà, c'est pas un dubplate style. Donji, Party Time, 106.3, toujours connecté, de la musique.
Why them want stop poor people enjoyment? Not even that. We also have less employment. Babylon, them have the ghetto youth, them on the siege. Or have the ghetto youth, them feed. Through them I walk with legal steel. Them just a do as them feel. What goes around comes back around. Can't take the ghetto people, them finna clown. Fight against the reggae music and lock up the sound. Can't go party, can't boogie. All the music me a push me and a jug is not gunman. Them can manage society, so the artists them turn pan. Music keep the peace, do our thing for season. Little love your girl missing, them find our disease. Living in a perilous times like this. Jah help me please, cause only reggae music sets me mind at ease. So no lock off the sound, Mr. Officer please. Cause what goes around comes back around. Can't take the ghetto people, them finna clown. Fight against the reggae music and lock off the sound. Can't go party, can't boogie down. What goes around comes back around. Can't take the ghetto people, them finna clown. Fight against the reggae music and lock off the sound. Can't go party, can't boogie. It's like them never see what the music bring come. It bring joy and fun to my bank book, it increase the income. But anything how we get blamed, it's like a artist, them want to bring down, them want to bring down. Jah them know I see things on. But music to the table, I that me bring come, I that me bring come. What goes around comes back around. Can't take the ghetto people, them finna clown. Fight against the reggae music and lock up the sound. Can't go party, can't boogie down. What goes around comes back around. Can't take the ghetto people, them finna clown. Fight against the reggae music and lock up the sound. Can't go party, can't boogie down.
C'était What Goes Around, Come Back Around. Donc ça veut dire qu'en fait c'est un peu l'effet boomerang. Donc ce que tu lances te revient dans la figure. Donc à toi d'envoyer du bon. So you have some conscious lyrics.
Yes, sir. Most definitely, you know. Yeah, man.
I want to know your models in sing.
Your influences.
Your influences.
My influence.
Tes modèles en chant.
Well, like.
Because you are a singer, not a
DJ.
Yeah.
Well, like for reggae, you know, it's Jackie, you know what I mean? Yeah. I like Jackie. His vocals, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So. And outside of reggae?
Outside of reggae, R&B, I would say Alicia Keys.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Okay, good school.
Yes, sir.
So, Rip, what you saw, can you explain this?
Yeah, well, as I said before, you know, Reap what you saw, you know, is like a motivational tool, you know, for the youths. You know what I mean? It's the universal order, a term where people use day to day, you know. You know, it's like karma, you know. Anything you do, it can come back at you, you know. So you reap what you sow, basically speaking about what's going on in the society, you know, and all over the world. You know what I mean? So it's like telling the youth that anything you put in is that same thing you're going to receive. So if you put in good energy, you're going to receive good. If you put in bad energy, you're going to receive bad. You know what I mean? So basically, you reap what you sow. The track list, you know, once you listen to that EP, you know, you get the full understanding. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's the concept.
Je vais demander d'expliquer un petit peu le concept du hippie. Donc c'est ce qu'il expliquait aussi dans la chanson qui est passée juste avant. C'est donc que la vie étant un cycle, en gros tu récoltes ce que tu sèmes. Alors après c'est à toi de choisir. C'est donc lui il expliquait que c'était un peu son leitmotiv et aussi un leitmotiv qu'il conseillait aux jeunes. Donc soit tu choisis de faire le bien ou le mal, mais en l'occurrence tu sais déjà ce que tu récolteras. Donc faudra pas être étonné. Where the name Danji come from?
Well, Danji come from friends, you know, from high school, and from a producer also, because first I did name Genius, then we meet this producer in Kingston.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
The son of Freddie
call
McGregor.
Me, you know, Dan Genius. Then again other friends I say, you know, the name too long, so if you change it just say Dan G. So my friend them just start calling me Dan G, so from then I just work with it, you know what I mean? Yeah.
And are you aware that that name maybe can be a mistake for certain people because Don is Don, G can be for gangster?
Well, you know,
for gifted.
No, it cannot be a mistake. I have Tarrus Riley, and that's a name of a pistol.
Yeah, true, but I think that Tarrus Riley at the beginning he had some trouble maybe with the name. So, but after it's for you to work, you know, so maybe that's your task.
But you know, Dan G is a musical Dan, you know, a positive influence. It's not like a Dan who tell people to do wrong, you know. Yeah. It's basically positive things, to inspire people, uplift people. You know what I mean? That's the kind of message I put out. So there and then, you know, once people get to know me, as they are doing now, they'll get to know who is Dan G.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So
it's a real positive Don, it's not like a Donald Trump, you know, c'est là on est dans le positif.
Straight positivity.
Okay.
Et j'aimerais juste émettre aussi une petite parenthèse. Quand vous tapez Don G sur YouTube, mettez Don G Reggae, parce que si vous mettez Don G direct, vous tombez sur un chanteur, je crois que c'est brésilien ou sud-américain qui fait genre du reggaeton. Donc à ne pas confondre.
Voilà. Ça c'est pour le coin technique, hein. Alors, la technique c'est Michel. Donc voilà, quand tu es sur Google, fais ça bien.
Et toi je vais pas dire que t'es Jackie, ça va faire...
moi je peux être Jackie, j'ai Jackie et les croissants chauds, on connaît.
Ouais mais si toi Jackie, moi Michel, ça fait chelou.
Moi j'ai rien dit, je ne sais pas, hein, tu vois. Envoyez des emails, envoyez vos CV et vos photos, j'ai envie de te dire.
Je dis rien.
On ne sait jamais. So let's talk about the production and the rhythm behind your voice.
Yeah. Well, the production is Lion Rhythms. Romania, you know, European producer same way. He's the one who's responsible for the instrumental. You know what I mean? I compose all the tracks. So he like send me some rhythms and I pick out which rhythms I like, so I pick out the best ones and voice for, you know, write them, arrange them and everything and send back the vocals to him and he mix it. And we just release it, you know.
Okay.
And you know, it create an impact, you know what I mean.
Donc il s'est associé pour ce hippie avec Lions Rhythm de Roumanie, donc qui produit les instrus, qui lui envoie et lui choisit. Donc on souligne qu'il écrit tous ses lyrics, ce qui n'est pas forcément le cas de tout le monde. Donc
auteur-interprète.
Voilà, c'est plutôt intéressant. So you're a singer.
Yeah.
So you're more on reggae than dancehall.
Right. You know, sing J, you know. So I'm more like the reggae.
What is the difference for you between reggae and dancehall?
Well, reggae and dancehall, the difference is reggae is like clean music, you know what I mean, like soul music. Dancehall is more like hype music, brag music, you know. But reggae, like from within you. Like your soul, what you're going through, you put out, you know. So I think that's the difference in the roots, you know. So I think that's the difference between reggae and dancehall. But they are two good genres, same way, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Donc il explique que évidemment, étant chanteur, il préfère le reggae qui est qualifié, c'est de la soul music pour lui, c'est de la musique de l'âme, c'est ce qui nous touche tous plus à l'intérieur. Yeah. Le dancehall c'est plus pour s'amuser, on va dire, c'est plus hype. Mais en tout cas, il a choisi le reggae. What can we expect for you in the future? An album, or you stay in Europe?
Yeah. I will be in Europe. You know what I mean? Well, you can expect a lot from Dan G, you know?
The best?
You know, the best, you know, because the sky's the limit, so never stop, nah, give up, so anything can come, anything possible, so I tell the public to just look out, you know? Yeah, man.
Okay.
Lot of things, lot of new music.
Where do people they can find the EP?
Well, it's online like audiomac.com, realreggae.com. You know, they can even Google it. Same way, it's on iTunes. Same way. You know.
Voilà, donc il expliquait que évidemment fallait compter sur lui dans l'avenir, qu'il était en Europe et que c'était pas pour faire du tourisme.
Et qu'on lui souhaite le meilleur. Bien
donc
sûr.
Là, il y a le hippie qui est là, il y a d'autres choses qui vont arriver, sûrement avec Lions Rhythm et d'autres. Et il a donné également les adresses pour se procurer en digital l'hippie, donc on vous invite tous à aller voir ça de plus près. On va s'écouter un dernier morceau. au freestyle. Le dernier morceau c'est On and On et ensuite c'est le freestyle style.
Yes,
donc we're just gonna listen to the next track On and On and then it's your turn to freestyle and you know to show everybody the vibes, you know. Let's go.
Right.
Party Time 106.3 Don G.
Done well. Them say we not reach nowhere, but only time will tell. Yeah, man, I done talk. When you arise from the ghetto, but mine, them don't love you. But I good over evil. Remember me tell you, we go on and on. On and on, yeah. Overcome the struggle. One day we must get out of the rubble. We go on and on. On and on, yeah. Overcome the struggle. One day we must get out of the rubble. Get a youth, believe in yourself. Do it by your own, no it by no one else. No pose like no buckle pan shelf, cause Jah help those who help themselves. The goal is yours, so better take it. No make nobody, you cannot make it. Have self-confidence, so make the haters them break it. You know make the haters them break it. We go on and on. On and on, yeah. Overcome the struggle. One day we must get out of the rubble. On and on. On and on, yeah. Overcome the struggle. One day we must get out of the rubble. Me call one the Messiah, cause nothing beat prayer. For every blessing, me give thanks, Jaja. Life for the greatest, me never have to dare. I fi play my part, can't say me nah bother. Everybody there for your purpose. Might know what the resources, not the surplus. But at this me know for sure, one day me must bust. Some real fans, them help me sing the chorus. On and on. On and on, yeah.
Alors c'est Don G sur Party Time On and On et justement puisque c'est en mode on, on va y aller pas plus tard que tout de suite en freestyle, en vivant et en direct pour vous dans Party Time. Monsieur Don G.
Yeah. Check. Let me slap them and say, party time, them a listen. You know. Yeah, party time, we are product of the ghetto. You know. Yeah, I'm a product of the ghetto. Time to face reality. 2011, me make me entry. In the music biz, there was a place for me. DJ Q play me first for 93. So from then, the glory. Left links the jump on a bus from pain. Reach a watch if you link. Start hear me tune pan every lane and every man. You know. Yeah, I'm a product of the ghetto. You know. Yeah, if you don't know me before, you get to know me now, alright? 2013, the big song hit. Top the chart pan CVM it lit. Me no worry, everything soon Chris. What goes around comes around, me I go and make it. CM here get featured on the paper. Start get little attention from the press and the media. Don G, fresh from the scene, them tell it to the reader. Yeah, listen out from wait. Call DJ Brian, Lady Renee. Play on and on for one and all. You know. Yeah, you're listening to Party Time Radio. You know. Yeah, I'm a product of the ghetto. Time to face reality. 2011, me make me entry in the music. ladies, there was a place for me. DJ Q play me first for 93. So from then, me get the glory. Left Linstead jump on a bus from Spain. Reach a watch if you link DJ Wayne. Start hear me tune on every lane and every man. You know, yeah, I'm a product of the ghetto. You know, yeah, keep it locked to Party Time Radio. Real star, yes I just want to take the time out to big up my true fans, you know. France, every sound man, Jamaica, every disc jock on the radio, Belgium, everybody, Brussels, the support Dan G career throughout the years.
Donc ça c'était Où am I? Voilà, petit titre de présentation de notre Lascar. On enchaîne tout de suite, on perd pas une seconde avec le titre Mama's Cry.
You're another mother ball. Our one son gone. Right now up on her name she call. Jah please help us all in this system. So me no want become a victim. No better youth me know I'm missing. Because to this shine and glistening, to them other talk them never listen. No, she a cry cause she feel the pain. Her one son life gone down the drain. She look on him shirt, you a pale of stain. And he said things and times are not the same. When we check the news, here another mother ball. Our one son gone. Right now up on the name she call. Jah please remember this. It really set away from the dirty liberty we need to get away. Nothing else of them took away. Remember Ananda Dean, Anakia, and the local girl them raper and not a deal. Said the youth them nowadays now hold no bets. A pair big machine them lock on the bends. A pair vanity them I bow. Who have the most money and who go drive big body Benz. Said them a dupes and them a dapper. And a them set the trends. But you reap what you sow. Remember never hear and they spread. At the time, radio, won't tell them. Here another mother ball. Our one son gone. Right now up on the name she got. Jah please, I get serious. Cause the cycle just a repeat to the previous. Appear innocent lives gone when them big machine bust. Yeah, me know on no situation. At the same place me come from. Yet still never turn no gunman. Take up the microphone and go sing some song. Cause me never want get caught up in a deep cemetery nor by Babylon. Young Jah to him inspiration. Your life party time. Radio station. Here another mother ball. Our one son gone. Right now up on her name she call. Jah please help us all in this system. Party time now become no victim. And no ghetto youth we know missing. And all because to them shine and glisten. And to them other that them never.
Don G sur Party Time. Wicked. On va passer au dernier track. Inna Jam Down.
You were going last night. Couldn't even get a good sleep. So after me get the news, you know Wagwan. Ta 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 ta. I hear gunshot, me hear a echo. Ta 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 ta. Yes sir. Party Time Radio, we live, you know. Ta 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 ta. Up here gunshot, me hear a echo. Ta 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 ta. In a jam, no place where me grow. Ta 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 ta. Up here gunshot, me hear a echo. Ta 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 ta. In a jam down the place where me grow. Never know your time would have come. See you shoot it down. Can't left your little son. On the way my go do you know. Left mommy I wonder who I go bring in the income. With our hands on our job. Ready to be gone, but that's how it goes. You reap what you sow, and this you should have known. That's how the story goes. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Hear gunshot, me hear a echo. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. In a jam down the place where me grow. Ta 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 ta. Up here gunshot, me hear a echo. Ta 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 ta. In a Paris, the place where me grow. No, we can't let it stay this way. Our kids need a place to play. This happen every day. Crime and violence each and everywhere. Even in my community, the people are getting scared. Tell me what is going on, Father God, Father God. Cause up here, ta 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 ta. Up here, gunshot, me hear a echo. Ta 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 ta. In a jam down the place where me grow. Ta 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 ta. Up here, gunshot, me hear a echo. Ta 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 ta. Like in party time when me grow. Party time. We ain't doing no crime. Shoot it down. Yes I.
C'était Don J sur Party Time.
Bang bang bang.
J'espère que vous avez apprécié. Il était là pour nous présenter son EP.
Pure voice.
Yeah man.
Like it.
Give thanks, you know. Give thanks, give thanks.
I wish you the best for the future.
Yes I. Yes I.
Reap What You Sow, le EP il est disponible partout.
Voilà.
De la Jamaïque
sur
au
les plateformes de
Luxembourg, à Paris
téléchargement.
City ce soir. N'hésitez pas, Don J. Thanks and respect.
Yeah man, it's a pleasure, you know. Thanks for having me here also, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you're welcome.
The first time.
Yeah, this is
just
my
the first time. I hope the next time.
Yeah man, I hope so too, you know. Give thanks.
Yeah, we're looking forward to have you
man.
again in the next tune, you know, the album, you know.
Yeah,
the shows.
definitely. You know, anything I have, you know, I make sure I reach Party Time Radio, you know.
So everybody can link you on Don J Music.
Yeah.
Don J Music sur Facebook pour le linker.
Yeah, that music, you know, spell DON space G MUSIK. You know, that's my Facebook link, you know what I mean? Instagram, Don J Music, you know, at DONG MUZIK.
And so you told us that the G was for genius and soon it will be for the greatest, you know.
Same way. So
Best.
G is for gifted.
Merci.
Voilà, j'espère que vous avez apprécié. Party Time, Don J dans les studios, Chronicle juste avant. Repassez-vous l'émission, n'hésitez pas.
Voilà, le podcast sera disponible dans la nuit ou dès demain matin, vous inquiétez pas au réveil. Si vous avez loupé l'émission en live, vous pourrez faire la session de rattrapage dès demain, vous inquiétez pas. Nous on continue tranquillement. En tout cas, merci Smokey, merci Judah de nous avoir présenté et fait découvrir ce nouvel artiste Don J. Juste avant, c'était Chronicle, c'est une confirmation, tout le monde le connaît. En tout cas, une bien belle émission encore jusqu'à minuit. Il nous reste encore quelques minutes avec plein de sélections, notamment LMK, Max Livio et compagnie.
Exactement, petite